Well, a rising gold price is an indication of a failing currency. They don't want you to know that, but that's why they do that. Now, once we have the CBDCs, that's programmable money. So they could very well build into that CBDC that you can't buy gold or silver with it. So that's why it's important to get it now while you still have that option.
If you are considering investing in precious metals, gold and silver are the two obvious choices. But apart from the price, there are other important differences between the two that an investor should be aware of. Precious metals add a lot of diversification to the portfolio and are also an excellent hedge against inflation. While gold is often the precious metal of choice, investing in silver is also gaining popularity, even though you know that gold is significantly more expensive than silver. What you may not know is that the price of silver is also more volatile. The lower cost of silver means that a relatively smaller amount of silver is needed to create a significant impact on silver prices. In the comparison of gold and silver, the price of gold is not that volatile. This makes gold an ideal investment even for the shorter investment periods. In today's video, we will share, according to Lynette Zang, what kind of master plan we need to have to become a millionaire with gold and silver. But before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon to never miss an update.
Again, people are like, yeah, well, that doesn't work. We don't trust you. They go real local, they barter, they use whatever gold and silver because nobody wants to take the currency. It's more than just one reset, but that's when it starts to reach its potential. And not potential, its true value.
Historically, hyperinflation became possible when fiat currencies replaced precious metals as money. Since fiat currency is not convertible at a fixed parity into gold or silver, governments or central banks can print it in virtually unlimited amounts. In fact, many of the best-known examples of hyperinflation occurred after the collapse of the classical gold standard after World War I. Hyperinflation is caused by extremely rapid growth in the money supply. Virtually all cases of hyperinflation have occurred when government budget deficits have been financed by printing money. Hyperinflation destroys the purchasing power of consumers, distorts the economy, and raises the price of gold. Central banks have very limited tools. At the same time, they are raising rates to fight inflation. Our government is spending a lot of money to create inflation. They're planning this accident because it's illogical. What they are doing is absolutely illogical. What they have been doing since 2008 with all the free money printing is absolutely illogical, and it is not going to end well. So no one is worried about what will happen to those fiat currency assets when the SBDC comes into play. We'll have to see what that conversion is, but they'll want as little hindsight as possible. This is what will happen to your wealth in these products. There will likely be more than one oversight reset. The first one will be one we witnessed in Venezuela, was probably the biggest jump, but they've already done 3 resets overnight and will probably do another one. When you see gold and silver reach their true values, that's the start. When you know, when it's all over, when they put a gold component into the new currency to regain your confidence. A very, very small portion of the population actually owns gold. Central banks therefore feel that they have done their job, especially as they continue to suppress the visible price that people see and think about. This is what gold is worth. While a rise in the price of gold is an indication of a failing currency, they don't want you to know, but that's why they do. Now, once they have CBDCs, it's programmable money, so they could fit very nicely into this CBDC that you can't buy gold or silver with. That's why it's important to get it now, while you still have that option. Gold and silver in all their forms have been classified as monetary in essence for years. As silver investment is becoming more popular now, gold continues to be the beloved precious metal, not only for jewelry but also for investment. Products like digital gold have made investing in gold more affordable and have removed the need to worry about storage and custody. If you are considering investing in precious metals, always remember that a safe haven asset is expected to retain its value or even increase in value during times of market turbulence when most asset prices decline. Therefore, depending on your particular situation, you can decide whether to go for silver or gold, taking into account the respective characteristics of each and the economic climate at the time of making your decision.
You're going to know when this is all over, when they put a component of gold into the new currency to get your confidence and your trust back.
That's all for today. Let us know your views in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video before leaving. Thanks for watching.